How to buy Qubetics token on Mexc. Now, this token came under the symbol of TICS. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, as you can see, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, what you need to do, open a new window and type Mexc. So you can access to your Mexc account. Now, if you don't have an account in Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account in Mexc to benefit from rewards. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click on the search bar, as you can see here, and type TICS, as you can see. Now, after that, you will be able to find this pair. Now, click on it. Now, wait a few seconds to load this page, and as you can see. So, first of all, what you need to do, you can type here how much you want to buy using the USDT on your account. And here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. After that, click here on buy TICS. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to see your token added to your account. So, this is how to buy TICS token. If you found this very helpful on Mexc, if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.